All right, I know that you guys clicked on this video to see some sort of rally racing, and I'll get to that in a second, but I just wanted to give like a short synopsis and explain the video a little bit before we actually get into it. So this is when the rally started to get interesting, because on the last stage, we ended up breaking the exhaust in half right at the header, right as like all four of the individual header pieces come into one at the merge collector, just ripped straight in half. So the car was super loud, and because of that, I could not hear my wife at all over the intercom system. So this was kind of a rough stage because she had to yell because I couldn't hear her. I turned up the volume all the way. You'll see me kind of like pause because of that. And at the same time, I was having an issue with the GoPro, so the video didn't come out the best either. But the car was super loud, and because of where it broke, it was literally right in front of the wideband O2 sensor that the car is actually using to modify the fuel trims as it goes. So it started running pretty bad after this stage. We actually ran into quite a few issues after the rally, with like the car dying quite a bit just on the transit from this stage to the final stage of day one. But luckily we were able to fix it for the next day. But we'll get into that, and when you see the next stage video, which will be SS10 on waste management, you'll actually see us stall out and die a couple times during the rally when we hit a puddle and water actually splashes on the O2 sensor. So it caused a lot of issues, but without further ado, I'll stop rambling and we'll get right into the video.
I don't know what I did, why I stalled it on that. That was a good 10 seconds at the start too. On the last one.
hopefully you guys still enjoyed that video. If you stuck around this far, then you probably did, and you're one of the like 150 people that actually watch all of my videos, which I really appreciate anyway. If you didn't, give the video a like, share it with your friends if you want to. As you can see behind me, I've got a bunch of boxes, a random windshield, stuff like that. That is all for the Datsun build that's coming up. So I've been collecting a lot of parts lately for this thing. So the build is definitely going to take off pretty soon when I actually get around to it. Probably not till after Christmas because I'm just way too busy. But when it does, it's going to be pretty steady, and I'm really excited to actually start work on this thing. If you guys like this type of a video more, where I talk a little bit before the video and then maybe after, and talk a little bit about the stage before it actually is ran, let me know. I'll do this for the remaining stage videos. Still got like 5 more to put up, or actually only like 3 more now. So let me know, and I'll definitely throw something there, maybe get my wife involved, and we can actually talk a little bit about what we thought about the stage was before and after, so you can see all of our different experiences and like what we saw in the car that you guys may not have seen just by watching the video. Anyway, don't want to drag out this video way too long. Appreciate you guys watching once again. I'll see you with whatever video I got coming out next, which will probably be Special Stage 10, which is the 3rd run of Waste Management. I don't know. I don't remember. But I'm going to finish editing this video and probably go to sleep because I got to go to work. But I'll see you guys with the next video.